Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process to resolve your Pi KYC issue or any other Pi Network related issue you are having with your Pi account. So watch the steps I'm going to show you in this video. If you are from African country and you're having issue with opening the support link on the browser, then you have to make use of VPN. I'll be showing you the VPN you should be downloading. This VPN has a paid version and a free version, which makes it possible for everyone to be able to use it to complete this task. But if you are from European country, then you don't have to make use of any VPN. So guys, for you to be able to solve the issue, just go to your Play Store, download Windscribe VPN, then open it up. This is how it looks like. After you've opened it up, you can select any country of your choice, guys. Just select any country of your choice, maybe US. Select US if that works for you. Once you click on it, it will open up. Remember, the one with love sign is free, but the one with stars are not free. They are paid versions. So after you've turned it on, then you can now go to your Pi app. Then once you go to your Pi app, you see this hamburger line here. Just tap on it. That is the three line on the top left corner. Tap on it. Then click on this support portal. Then once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. So once it brings you to this page, guys, just scroll down. Then you see different options here that you can choose for them to help you with. If you're having issue with your wallet and browser, you can click on it. If you're having issue with creating a new account, you can click on it. Trouble signing in or forgot password, you can click on it. Any issue you are having, guys, you can select that exact issue. So for this video, we are focusing on KYC. So just scroll down, then you see your KYC. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, your KYC option is going to open up. So just scroll down, then you see all this information, your email, make sure you fill it. Your Pi username, make sure you fill it. Verification method, you can fill it. You can select as many as possible. You can select Facebook, you can select email, you can select phone number, whichever way you want to be verified. Then here, remember password. If you remember your password, click yes. If you did not remember your password, click no. Then if you've forgotten your password or you never set it, click I never set it, whichever one. Then scroll down, your citizenship, write it. If you are from Nigerian country, you are, write it. What is your country of residence? You can write it, whichever country you are. Then your Android or iOS version. So just click. If it's Android 10, Android 8, anyone, just put it there. You can check your Android version through your phone settings. So after that, specific OS version. So any version it is, you see it under your phone setting. Through your phone setting, you see it. Your phone brand, anything, brand and model, anything it is. Then prior to application, I cannot access the Pi browser. If that is the reason, you check it. I cannot open the KYC app. Any reason why your KYC is pending or you have not completed your KYC, you can select it here. I get the slot is not available at the time. Pop up in the KYC app. Any reason, if none of this is the reason, just click none. Then after that, scroll down. Then when submitting your KYC application, so read all this to select the exact issue you are having. So here, issue when I try to review or edit cannot change country or ID type. So any reason. Some people issue is with the live step or taking the selfie. That's some people issue. Some people issue is with uploading the ID document. So whichever issue you always encounter when you're signing up, make sure you do it. Then KYC review pending. So if your KYC has been pending since January 2022, you can choose it anytime or none of the above, or you cannot remember. So if you know that you don't know the exact one, it's better you just click I don't remember for any purpose. Request for your KYC pending issue. So you select the reason. So this for the I submitted the wrong type of ID. So if you submitted the wrong type of ID, you can check that. The name I used for KYC application is different from the name I used to register for the account. You can choose any issue you are having. After you've done this, guys, just type in a small message on what they should do exactly for you. Do you get? After you've typed it, they click on this send. So once you do that, guys, they are going to send you a message on your to your email. They are going to send message to your email. Just wait 24 to 48 hours, and once they respond to you, your issue will be resolved. That's how simple it is to resolve any issue you are having with your Pi Network KYC. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications to all. Join my WhatsApp channel using the link in the description of this video to join. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.